Hello everyone, and welcome back to our Spanish learning journey. I'm absolutely thrilled you're here with me today. Today we're diving deep into one of the most essential and, let's be honest, sometimes a bit tricky parts of Spanish grammar, the past tense of verbs. But don't you worry for a second. We're going to break it down into easy-to-understand chunks, specifically designed for beginners like many of you. We'll go slowly and clearly, making sure you grasp every single concept step by step. Our unique approach means we'll be using English sentences first, giving you a moment to practice, forming the Spanish equivalent in your mind before you even hear it. This active recall method is incredibly effective for cementing new information. Our ambitious yet achievable goal today is to go through a total of 50 sentences, each one carefully crafted to help you build a strong, reliable foundation for using past tenses in Spanish with confidence. Remember, practice truly makes perfect, and we are absolutely here to guide you through every single step of this exciting journey. Let's get started, shall we?
Are you ready for our very first sentence? Here we go. 1.
I spoke.
Yo hablé.
This is the preterite tense, which is used for actions completed in the past. 2. You ate.
Tú comiste.
Notice the ist ending for
Tú.
with
Herir.
verbs. 3. He lived.
Él vivió.
Here
Vivió.
is also preterite, showing a completed action. 4. She worked.
Ella trabajó.
The accent mark on O is crucial for
Él, ella, usted.
forms in the preterite. 5. We walked.
Nosotros caminamos.
Be careful.
Caminamos.
Can also be present tense, but context tells us it's past here. 6. They ran.
Ellos corrieron.
The
Hieron.
ending is common for
Herir.
verbs in the third person plural preterite. 7. You all wrote.
Ustedes escribieron.
Again,
Hieron.
for the
Ustedes.
form. 8. I visited.
Yo visité.
A regular
Ar.
verb in the preterite. 9. You learned.
Tú aprendiste.
Another regular
Er.
verb example. 10. He opened.
Él abrió.
A regular
Ir.
verb. 11. She bought.
Ella compró.
Simple and direct, a completed action. 12. We played.
Nosotros jugamos.
This can sometimes be tricky as
Jugar.
has a
Huye.
stem change in some tenses, but not in the preterite. 13. They slept.
Ellos durmieron.
Here
Dormir.
is a stem-changing verb, changing O to U in the third-person preterite forms. 14. You all read
Ustedes leyeron. Leer.
is irregular in the preterite, changing
Y.
to
Y.
15. I sang.
Yo canté.
A straightforward
Ar.
verb. 16. You saw
Tú viste. Ver.
is highly irregular. Notice there are no typical preterite endings. 17. He arrived. Él llegó. Verbs ending in
Gar.
like
Llegar.
change
G.
to
Gu.
in the
Yo.
form
Llegué.
to maintain the hard
G.
sound but remain
G.
for other forms. 18. She left.
Ella salió.
Another regular
Ir.
verb. 19. We spoke.
Nosotros hablamos.
Remember to distinguish this from the present tense by context. 20. They ate.
Ellos comieron.
Regular
Verb.
21. You all lived.
Ustedes vivieron.
Regular
Ir.
verb. 22. I worked.
Yo trabajé.
Regular
Ar.
verb. 23. You walked.
Tú caminaste.
Regular
Ar.
verb. 24. He ran.
Él corrió.
Regular
Verb.
25. She wrote.
Ella escribió.
Regular
Ir.
verb. 26. We visited.
Nosotros visitamos.
Regular
Ar.
verb. 27. They learned.
Ellos aprendieron.
Regular
Verb.
28. You all opened.
Ustedes abrieron.
Regular
Ir.
verb. 29. I bought.
Yo compré.
Regular
Ar.
verb. 30. You played.
Tú jugaste.
Remember the lack of stem change for
Jugar.
in the preterite. 31. He slept.
Él durmió.
Here's that
O.
to
U.
stem change for
Dormir.
again. 32. She read.
Ella leyó. Leer.
Is irregular with
Y.
33. We sang.
Nosotros cantamos.
Regular verb 34. They saw.
Ellos vieron.
Another irregular
Ver.
form 35. You all arrived.
Ustedes llegaron.
No GU change needed here. 36. I left.
Yo salí.
Regular
Ir.
verb 37. You spoke.
Tú hablaste.
Regular verb 38. He ate.
Él comió.
Regular
Verb.
39. She lived.
Ella vivió.
Regular
Ir.
verb 40. We worked.
Nosotros trabajamos.
Regular verb 41. They walked.
Ellos caminaron.
Regular verb 42. You all ran.
Ustedes corrieron.
Regular
Verb.
43. I wrote.
Yo escribí.
Regular
Ir.
verb 44. You visited.
Tú visitaste.
Regular verb 45. He learned.
Él aprendió.
Regular verb 46.
She opened.
Ella abrió.
Regular
Ir.
verb 47. We bought.
Nosotros compramos.
Regular verb 48. They played.
Ellos jugaron.
Regular verb 49. You all slept.
Ustedes durmieron.
And finally 50. I read.
Yo leí.
Fantastic. You've just completed 50 sentences in the Spanish past tense, specifically focusing on the preterite. Give yourselves a huge pat on the back. That's a significant achievement for one session. Remember that the absolute key to truly mastering these tenses,
Which are fundamental to conversational Spanish, is consistent and dedicated practice.
don't be afraid to make mistakes, in fact. Embrace them. They are not failures, but valuable learning opportunities and a natural, indispensable part of the learning process. Keep practicing these sentences aloud and, more importantly, try to form your own unique sentences using different verbs and subjects. You are doing an absolutely amazing job, and your dedication will undoubtedly pay off in spades as you progress. Learning a new language takes time, patience, and persistent effort, but I promise you, it is one of the most incredibly rewarding experiences. You can embark on every single sentence you learn, every verb you correctly conjugate, every new word you acquire brings you incrementally closer to achieving fluency and being able to express yourself fully in Spanish. Keep up the truly great work, and don't forget to review these concepts regularly to keep them fresh in your mind. If you found this video helpful, insightful, or even just a little bit entertaining, please give it a big thumbs up. Your support means the world to us and genuinely helps us create more high-quality content for you. Also, we absolutely love hearing from you, so please feel free to leave a comment below with any questions you have, any specific topics you'd like us to cover next, or even just to share your progress. We read every single one. And of course, to stay connected and never miss out on our future valuable lessons, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. It ensures you're always updated. We are here to help you succeed in every step of your Spanish learning journey. Keep practicing, keep learning, and we'll see you very soon in the next video. Adiós y hasta pronto.